Ever feel completely lost when trying to eat healthier? Don't worry, you're not alone. With so much advice out there, figuring out what to eat and how much can feel overwhelming. But it doesn't have to be. Today, let's break down a simple, no-fuss way to build a balanced meal that boosts your energy, lifts your mood, and keeps you satisfied without the stress. Think about your plate as a puzzle with just a few key pieces: protein, healthy carbohydrates, good fats, and colorful fruits and vegetables. When these pieces come together in the right amounts, they create a meal that helps your body function at its best. The goal isn't perfection or complicated rules. It's about creating a balance that works for you, day in and day out. First, let's talk about protein. This is the part of your meal that helps build and repair muscles, supports your immune system, and keeps hunger at bay. Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken or turkey, fish rich in omega-3s like salmon, plant-based options such as beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh, and even Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Don't worry too much about getting the exact perfect amount. Just aim for a portion about the size of your palm to start. If you're hungrier, have a bit more, if not, a bit less. Over time, you'll learn what feels right. Next up are carbohydrates, your body's main fuel source. When you hear carbs, you might think bread or pasta, and that's okay. The key is choosing the kinds of carbohydrates that give you steady energy instead of quick bursts. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread and tortillas fit the bill. Starchy vegetables such as sweet potatoes are another great option. They digest more slowly, helping keep your energy and mood stable for hours after you eat. Try starting with a portion about the size of your cupped hand, then adjust as needed. Now let's bring in healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats, your body needs them. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil don't just add flavor and a creamy texture. They also help you absorb certain vitamins. Plus, fats help you feel satisfied. A small handful of almonds or a spoonful of nut butter, a drizzle of olive oil on your veggies, or a few slices of avocado is often all you need. The real color and vitality of your meal comes from fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill at least half your plate with these. Leafy greens, bright bell peppers, crunchy broccoli, juicy berries, the more variety, the better. These foods offer a huge range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which keep your body strong and your digestion smooth. They also add natural flavor, sweetness, and texture without a lot of extra calories. If you find veggies bland, experiment with herbs, spices, and citrus juice to make them tastier. Now let's put it all together. Start by picking a protein. Add a portion of whole grain carbs. Include healthy fats to help with flavor and satisfaction. Then pile on a generous serving of veggies and maybe a piece of fruit. This framework isn't strict. It's flexible. You can create a stir-fry with tofu, brown rice, broccoli, peppers, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Or assemble a grilled chicken salad with spinach, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a side of quinoa. Prefer a plant-based meal? How about lentils, roasted sweet potatoes, and a plate piled high with roasted Brussels sprouts and a drizzle of olive oil? The best part is that you can adjust this approach to any eating style or personal goal. Trying to build muscle? Add a little more protein. Trying to manage your weight? Load up on veggies, choose moderate portions of carbs, and watch how you feel. Can't eat gluten? Opt for brown rice or quinoa instead of wheat. There's no single perfect meal. The point is to learn what makes you feel good and helps you stay energized throughout the day. As you try this out, pay attention to your body's signals. Eat slowly, enjoy the flavors, and stop when you feel pleasantly full, not stuffed. Over time, you'll get better at recognizing what and how much food works best for you. There's no need to count every calorie or measure every gram. Just keep the basic guidelines in mind and adjust based on your own hunger and satisfaction. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. You don't have to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by making small changes. Add an extra veggie to dinner tonight. Switch white rice for brown rice tomorrow, or experiment with a new protein next week. Over time, these small steps add up, and you'll find yourself enjoying meals that leave you feeling truly good. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more simple tips on eating well and feeling your best. Thanks for watching and happy eating!